Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best pop-up rain canopy accessory on the market, the Joramoy 10-foot canopy rain gutter. If you've ever struggled with rainwater pooling between two canopy tents or been caught off guard by a sudden downpour, this product is designed to solve exactly that problem. The Joramoy rain gutter is specifically made to fit most 10 by 10 pop-up canopies, measuring just under 10 feet in length with a clever curved design that channels rainwater away effectively. This keeps the space between your tents dry and comfortable, so you can continue enjoying your outdoor activities without interruption. What makes it stand out is its premium construction. Crafted from 300D polyester with a silver-coated backing, this gutter isn't just waterproof, it also blocks nearly 100% of harmful UV rays. So while it keeps the rain off, it also offers protection from the sun, creating a cooler shaded area between your canopies. Installation is incredibly simple thanks to 12 Velcro straps attached along both sides of the gutter. You simply fasten the straps to the frames of your canopies, and the gutter stretches tightly between them. This hassle-free setup means you can get your outdoor space ready in no time, whether you're setting up for a market stall, camping trip, or backyard party. Another smart feature is the gutter's special curved shape, designed to prevent water from accumulating in the middle and causing sagging. This ensures the water drains smoothly, reducing any stress on your canopy frames and keeping the whole setup stable during rain. The lightweight and portable nature of the gutter means you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. It's compact enough to pack into your gear without adding bulk, yet durable enough to withstand regular use thanks to reinforced stitching. The Joramoy Canopy Rain Gutter also adds value beyond rain protection. Because it creates a shaded channel between your tents, it helps block sunlight and keeps the temperature cooler underneath. This is especially useful if you're spending long hours outdoors, offering a more comfortable environment to relax or work in. Overall, this rain gutter combines thoughtful design, sturdy materials, and user-friendly installation to offer excellent protection for your pop-up canopy setup. It's an ideal accessory for anyone who wants to maximize the usability of their canopies during unpredictable weather. Whether you use it for outdoor events, commercial displays, or leisure, the Joramoy rain gutter keeps you dry, cool, and protected from the elements. That's it for today's product critique. If you're looking for a smart, reliable solution to keep rainwater off your canopy setup, the Joramoy 10-foot canopy rain gutter is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.